everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tania Estelle. This video, which I've never done before, which is to recreate my first makeup tutorial that I did here years ago. I want to say 5 or 6 years ago here on YouTube. And if you want to check it out, I'm not going to take it down because I want to leave it up there. So I will have the handle down below where you can have access to the video, and I may put it in the comment section. It's primed and it's been just now setting, so yeah, because I just want to start from here. Yeah. Talking about is the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Yeah, the makeup that I did for the Christmas look, I used that palette. And I'm going to start off with the transition shade. The palette is the bomb. It is definitely very pigmented. I really do love the application of it and the ease of just like switching between colors. It doesn't clump or anything like that. And I mean, look at that. See a difference? Sweet. So I'm trying to build it, and y'all been learning, and I'm proud of myself. So, but I'm leaving that video up there. I'm not taking it down. Add to the corner of my eyelids, and then do that V-shape swoop. I'm just going to bring it up almost close to the transition shade. Brushes. I mean, when I first started off with makeup, y'all, I didn't know a lick about makeup. All I wanted was clear gloss, my eyebrows groomed, and that was it. You know, just more of a natural girl. It's not like I didn't despise makeup, not like I couldn't wear makeup. It's just a new world for me. And then when I started seeing more on YouTube, when YouTube first opened up and came out with makeup looks, with everybody else doing tutorials, I was like, let me go check this out. So over the years, I have progressed along. Let's try it. So my makeup collection has grew in the past 6 years. I only started off with clear lip glosses, matte lip glosses. I have about 2-3 things of lip stuff now. If you check out my makeup collection as a beginner, that's my makeup, and it has grew since then. So I'm getting into it, and I'm learning how to apply myself and just acquire new skills because they're changing rapidly. I mean, constantly. Putting eyelashes on, I don't know about that. I can try it again. I did it for Christmas. I'm still a beginner on putting eyelashes. So anyways, I'm gonna do it because I had a problem. Excuse me, I'm sorry y'all, but I'm just gonna be honest. I had a rough time putting on falsies. So this is it. I will zoom in so you can see it. Some Ardell lashes here. I'm not gonna use the glue. I ain't got time for that right now. In the video, let's see what I did. I underline my eyes. I'm not going to underline my eyes because I don't do that no more. I can, but I need a crayon and not liquid. I know that. I mean, even the video quality of this is so funny. I mean, it's progress alone, you know. The lighting was good, but my editing, Windows Movie Maker, y'all remember that? It's totally out, yeah. Right now it doesn't exist anymore. These skills are not good because I use iMovie. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing I went for lips. I would just put it on, so I have brought, and I think I still have it, the black cherry. I still have that because that's still my favorite because I like the color. So this today I have upgraded, yay! And I'm using the MAC retro high drama. Yes. Or powder, and I'm playing powder on the highlighted areas. So hopefully it's progress, y'all. I will go back with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I love Infallible, L'Oreal Infallible line. What's the name? I will break out easily because I have oily skin. Because over the years of learning, I am going to apply the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, and this is in color 904 Deep Glow. I was going to just apply it on my highlighter first because you know you gotta highlight. Guess what, y'all? After that, what did I do after that? I'm still applying. I'm doing my hair, so my hair is gonna be different because in that video I had braids. Okay. Final makeup look. I am proud of myself simply because my makeup skills had definitely advanced since 6 years ago, and my makeup collection was small, and over just the course of years, just here and there and YouTube and trying out and just buying better quality makeup products that work for you, that gave me confidence to continue and just not pursuing makeup, but you know, continue in this new adventure. Shawonya the Artist, her page, and I'll have listed down below. So amazing. The colors are very pigmented and I love them. Every single one of them. They did not clump on me. I should have put powder on while I was doing my eyeshadow and stuff like that, but I didn't, so sorry, trying to get through. But overall I think I did a great job, and I'm still learning. I'm a beginner. If you like this channel, this type of content, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Totally up to you. Okay, so God bless, and go with God, go with Jesus, and all that you do, go with him in everything you do in life, and put him first, because he should be number one, not anything else. So yes, so thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching. God bless you. Oh, I take out my shirt, my outfit. Yeah. Ooh.